Okay, to clean your filter, first you need to make sure the hot tub is either in rest mode or switched off. You can then remove the lid. There's a pressure release valve here you can unscrew to release any pressure that may build up. You can then unscrew the outer lock ring. The lid then just pulls off. You can then remove your filter to clean. We recommend cleaning your filter with SpaMate filter cleaner at least once a month and rinsing the filter with a hose pipe every 1 to 2 weeks. For a deeper clean, use SpaMate filter cleaner. Use a 1 in 50 solution, which equates to 100 millilitres per 5 litres of water. Add the filter to the bucket, making sure it's fully submerged, and leave it to soak for 24 hours. Once your filter has been soaked for 24 hours, remove and rinse with a hose pipe. It's then best to leave the filter to dry so that the fibres tighten up and make your filter as efficient as possible. It's very useful to have a spare filter so that you can use one while cleaning the other. To put the filter back in, push the filter firmly down to the bottom so that it locks into place. Then push down the filter lid firmly and then screw on the outer lock ring. Once this is tight, you can screw up the air relief valve and make sure that's nice and tight. It's then always best to turn the hot tub back on at this point, run pump 1 to ensure that you're not getting any leaks from either the air relief valve or the outer lock ring. If these aren't done up tight enough, you will find that water will be lost from these areas. Once you're happy that there are no leaks, you can then put the filter lid back